Hi, today I will show you how to import Minecraft, whole Minecraft island to Blender. So first what we need to do, importing object, island, smaller, bigger part of the map is to visiting. We need to see that part. So Minecraft can generate that and save it. So if we can go around and see what's around, so then Minecraft will generate that and it will save. Then we can go back, exit, save, quit. I'll just check the name. The name is random name 40 plus. That's fine. So we can quit the game. Now we need to do one thing. We need to open Mineways. Mineways. You'll get the link in the description so you can click easily and download. You will have two versions for Mac and for Windows. Then you click in File, Open the World, and this is what I create. And this is our island. In the right, with the right button of the mouse, you can select. So drag and select. If you click somewhere right button mouse, you will deselect that. With the left button mouse, you can move, drag and move. With the scroll, you can zoom in. So I would like to export whole island, maybe the small one. The big one is, it will take too long time, and I don't want to do that. So I'll export whole island, or something like that. Yeah, excellent. So then all depends how big you'd like to import this island. If you take just the top layer, or if you would like to take as well caves. So you have height and deep. So you need to set up what you want to take from the deep. Like you can see, you can take half of the island, just the top layers, mountains, trees, a bit of sea, or you can go deeper. I'll go up to the end, and with the another one as well. So you can, like you can see on the map, not everything you collecting. So I would like to take everything. So I'll leave on maximum. But mostly if I, for example, importing a map to Unreal Engine, I'm just taking a bit. So this is what I'm doing. I'm just selecting and it should automatically tells me if I need more or less. Or I can do manually, so I will do 61. 63 is like this. Yeah, 61, and that will be enough for me. So top layer, a bit of water will go to the Unreal Engine. But in that case, I will see if there is any cave or something. So I'll just leave the maximum. File, export for rendering, Control plus R. Not this ones, just that export for rendering. And I can make a name. And save. Actually here we can maybe select delayed floating objects, trees and parts smaller than 16 blocks, or maybe no, I'll leave that. So I'll import absolutely everything and then click OK. It will take some time, all depends how many blocks it will be. And we have statistics, that's fine. So I can close that, file close, and this what we need to do now. We need to open the Blender. I'm using Blender version 3.2.2. The cube, I don't need a cube, light and camera I don't need now. I can leave it. Then I can put higher. File, import, and wavefront object. So click that. Then our map, so as well object. You have two files, click with the object. I can leave here, I can leave it, that's then import object. It will take some time. Okay, so our island is here in the Blender. Yeah, it's a beautiful, oh, we can have some caves like you can see. Yeah, we have cave systems. Okay, that's fine. So if you want to see mesh, if you want to see texture, just click that viewport shading, and now we see beautiful island with caves, with water. Yeah, if we'll go inside, we can see all of the caves. Oh, yeah, cave system, like you can see, we are inside of the block. So now we can see exactly where the caves going. Yeah, here as well. So it's a good way to cheat sometimes, because if you're making a map, you're playing with someone, you can import that map to the Blender, and then you can see where you have some minerals or caves. Good idea, yep. Okay, so like you can see, we have our island here. Thank you very much. If you like this video, uh, just click the like button. I'll be very happy. It will motivate me to make some more videos. And if you have any suggestions, just write in comment. Thank you.